Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download Groupon application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Groupon. In the search result, look for this application that says Groupon Local Deals Near Me, and then tap on the Get or the Install button. Wait for the installation. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. And once installed, tap on Open to launch Groupon. You can now go ahead and create a new account or log into your existing one. After signing in to Groupon, you can enjoy great deals right at your fingertips, start saving money on restaurant, travels and more, and all set to find amazing discounts near you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Groupon tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.